Hello friends, today we will learn about sampling and its types. So in this video we are going to cover what is sampling, why do we need sampling, and different types of sampling techniques, and type of probability sampling and type of non-probability sampling. So these are the basically two main type of samplings. And we are going to cover this video in two parts. So you will be saying the first. We'll go ahead with our first question, that is what is sampling. So sampling is a method that allows us to get information about population based on the statistics from a subset of the whole population without having investigation on whole population. So as you can see in this image, there are around 12 people in the population area, but we are only picking 4 people because it's quite easy to investigate or perform a study on 4 people rather than investigating the whole population, that is 12 people in this image. Now let us come to the second question, that is why do we need to perform a sampling? The first main reason is sampling is done to draw conclusion about populations from samples, and it enables us to determine population's characteristics by directly observing only a portion, not the whole population. Okay, so it means that if we have to draw some conclusions, so we don't have to perform study on a whole population, which is quite difficult. Now coming to the second reason, that is time selection. So performing a study on a whole population will require higher size, okay, with higher time as compared to the time required for performing study on a simple piece of the population or portion of the population. Now coming to the third reason, that is cost involvement. So performing study on a smaller piece of the population is will be less as compared to that on the whole population. Now coming to the last reason, that is analysis of sample is less cumbersome and more practical than analysis of entire population. So let's say if we have to calculate happiness rate of a particular country. So it is quite impractical and cumbersome to calculate happiness of the whole country by getting reviews or understand survey from each and every person of that whole country. So in that case, there are multiple type of samplings that are done on the country population, and based on that the happiness rate of that particular country is concluded. That's one example. Now we'll see what are the main different type of sampling techniques. So as of now, you can see on the screen that there are mainly two type of sampling techniques. One is a probability sampling and second is non-probability sampling, which are further classified into multiple types. So probability sampling is classified into simple random sampling and systematic sampling and stratified sampling and cluster sampling, whereas non-probability sampling is further classified into convenience sampling, quota sampling, judgmental sampling, and snowball sampling. Now let us see what exactly is meant by probability sampling. So in probability sampling, every element of the population has an equal chance of being selected. Probability sampling gives us the best chance to create a sample that is truly representation of population. For example, let's say our population consists of 20 individuals. Each individual is numbered from 1 to 20 and is represented by a specific color, let's say red, blue, green or yellow. And each person would have odds of 1 out of 20 of being chosen in probability sampling. Whereas with non-probability sampling, these odds are not equal. These odds are not equal. A person might have a better chance of being chosen than others. Let us start with the second type of uh, sampling, that is non-probability sampling. In non-probability sampling, all elements do not have an equal chance of being selected. Consequently, there is a significant risk of ending up with a non-representative sample which does not produce generalizable results. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment for more such videos. Thank you.